Alright, you guys, I'm about to give you all some free sauce right here. This is the free sauce. Alright, so you see my support level right here and my resistance level right here make up the current channel that we're fluctuating between on the live Luna Classic chart. I drew the smaller channel on the inside that would increase the probability that we get the retest of the upside, the retest of the top of the channel, and then I drew the next resistance level after that. So, which is right here. Down a little further. Straighten that out a little bit. So, now, how do I perfect my trades? How am I winning so much, right? Okay, so I drew this channel, then I drew another channel above it, and then I drew the next channel, and I drew all the potential take profit channels. I drew every channel that is possible that we need to get through in order to get back to the 200 MA, right? Right here, because this is where you want to base your trade off. This green line right here. We'll write 200 MA right there. We'll write second resistance, and right here we'll write first resistance, and right here channel. Alright, so we got the channel that we're currently in right here, in this area right here. We got the, let me write support. Alright, so by drawing all these support and resistance levels, also right here we got target. This is where you would want to sell, right here at the final resistance. Now let's see what's happening live. And why did I draw this tinier channel inside the larger channel? Because I want to stay in this tiny channel above this line right here, and I want to stay like this and kind of fluctuate like this, so I know for a fact that I'm going to get the retest of the top of the channel. Let's say we were to break below this line right here right now, we could happen live. That means we're going to come back and retest the bottom of support, and there's two things that can happen after the retest of the support level. We're either going to dump massively, which means if we lose this level of support, there is nothing protecting us in the past, right? There is nothing protecting us from dumping all the way back down to about 30124, and then you would look for the move up or the continuation of the dump. But for now, all we really need to focus on is this channel right now, because price is not going to go that fast. I'm on the 1 minute chart, by the way. Price goes fast, but everything is drawn out, so I know what's going to happen every time something else happens. It's like cause and effect. So I know if we drop below this line, we retest the bottom of support. If we stay in this, we're going to retest the top of the channel. If we break out of the top of the channel, then we pump from the first resistance to the second resistance. If we break out of the second resistance, then I move my stop loss up. We're going to pump to the 200 MA. Once we pump to the 200 MA, that's when you take your trade. You want to take your trade around this line right here. And once you blast through the 200 MA, then you pump to the target. You see that? You just want to draw out every possibility and every probability, weigh your options, and wait for the targets that you set to get hit. This is my strategy. This is how I made $500 in the past week, and it works. And I'll continue to prove that it works.